In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create branches in GitHub and Git. Branches let you work on features, fixes, or experiments without affecting your main code, and then bring those changes back when they're ready. Think of a branch as a safe workspace that starts from a specific point in your repository's history. First, open your browser and search for GitHub. You can also type the address directly if you know it, but a quick search works fine. In the results, click the official GitHub link. Make sure the domain is correct and secure before you proceed. Next, log into your account. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Once you're in, head to the repository where you want to create a branch. You can find it from your list of repositories or by using the search bar at the top. On the repository page, look near the top left, just above the file list. You'll see a branch selector, often showing the current default branch name, like main. It has a small branch icon. Click that selector. This control is where you switch between branches and start the process of creating new ones. You'll be taken to a page or view that lists existing branches. Here, find and click the New Branch option. This opens a simple form for creating your branch. If you ever see a field that lets you type a branch name directly in the selector, that's another way to do it. But we'll stick with the New Branch button as described. Now, add a clear, descriptive name for your branch. Avoid spaces and special characters. Use hyphens or slashes to keep things readable, like feature login form or bug fix typo homepage. Then, choose the source from the dropdown. The source is the starting point for your new branch, commonly the default branch, such as main or a stable development branch. Picking the right source ensures your work begins from the latest correct code. Double-check that you're creating the branch in the intended repository, and when everything looks good, click Create New Branch. GitHub will confirm the branch is created and show you that branch in the repository view. From here, you can start committing changes on this branch or collaborate with your team, confident that the main branch remains untouched. If you don't see the option to create a branch, you might not have permission on that repository, so contact a maintainer to request access. And that's it. You've searched GitHub, logged in, opened your repository, used the branch selector, chosen New Branch, named it, selected the source, and created your branch, ready for focused, safe development.